The digital transformation consulting space is one of the most lucrative and stressful right now. Recently, I had an insightful discussion with Raj. I changed the name to protect his privacy, and he is a technology leader in the digital transformation space, working for a major consulting firm. We spoke about the critical challenges he and his peers are currently facing. This is a part of a research project I am conducting, and today I want to share with you highlights from the discussion, as it can be very helpful for you. So I wanted you to have that information. Raj started by explaining his role. He said, I work with C-suite executives in my organization, as well as on my client's side, working on transformation projects and bringing up emerging tech, understanding the client needs, the problems, and then creating journeys around it. He mentioned 3 key challenges for digital transformation consultants. First one is balancing vision and practicality. Raj mentioned the biggest challenge that I feel is that there's an imbalance between the transformation that the clients or the leaders are thinking currently. Few leaders are thinking way ahead of time. On the other hand, there are leaders who are not so agile. Sometimes the same client would have some senior leaders who are pushing for too much, and then there are clients who don't think digital transformation should be such a big priority. And this, of course, leads to a lot of frustrations, as many clients are pushing for unrealistic digital transformation goals to be met, while others underestimate the importance of the work consultants are doing. Often, this is happening at the same client, and of course, that requires consultants to have superior communication skills and superior influence skills to agree on common goals and the way forward. Another significant challenge Raj is dealing with is having to stay up to date on technological advances. He highlighted 3 key areas when it comes to skills development required for the delivery of digital transformation consulting services: technology, transformation, and adaptability. He said, by that, I mean, how can I keep on evolving and learning very fast so that I do not get stagnant in the industry? Clients expect consultants to be up to date on technological advancements. There is significant pressure to constantly grasp new technologies and create business cases out of them. Raj said, if I am not open to learn things, I am not agile enough to manage things mentally, then it is very difficult to create a business case out of it. A specific example Raj mentioned is a shift from AI to generative AI. 6 months before, we were focusing on AI, but immediately everybody is behind generative AI. This makes the digital transformation consulting space one of the most lucrative, but also one of the most stressful areas of consulting to be in, where consultants are under constant pressure to understand the technology piece very fast and create a business case out of it. The significant pressure of having to stay up to date basically in real time and translate technological advancements into business cases for clients is very stressful and can be overwhelming. Then add a layer for managing multiple tasks and multiple teams. Raj mentioned the challenges of handling the previous projects that we have delivered, or they are in the implementation phase, and on top of that, upskilling ourselves on the new technology, and then doing some sales, doing some consulting on the new technology. This also leaves very limited time to focus on managing other crucial areas that leaders must manage, such as building and leading a team and building your own skill set as a leader beyond technical expertise. The third major challenge is having to deal with ambiguous client expectations. Raj mentioned, if I am not clear with what is expected from the team, then of course I'm not going to get what is required to make our solutions better. The miscommunication often comes from clients not being clear on what they expect from the project. The expectations from the client side are never clear. It is never very definite. The way Raj deals with it is by getting the team together and brainstorming to identify the gaps in what the client is communicating versus what they are actually expecting from the team, so that they can deliver the project to the client's satisfaction. And if you want to benchmark your 5-year vision to Raj's 5-year vision, 5 years down the line, if all unfolds well, Raj sees himself as the CEO who is committed to creating a large impact at the industry level, not at the organization level or the country level. Maybe creating something disruptive, solving people's problems, making them more comfortable in their lives. Let me leave you with a few action steps. Ask yourself, are you paying enough attention to the top 3 challenges Raj prioritized? You may not be in the digital transformation consulting space, but does what Raj shared shed light on some challenges you may not be paying enough attention to? How does that align with the top 3 challenges you prioritized for yourself? Are you missing something important? And what is your 5 years vision? How does it compare to Raj's? Are you dreaming big enough? Does your vision incorporate adding value to the world beyond just succeeding in your personal career? I'm going to leave you with 3 gifts. First is a gift copy of a book I co-authored with some of our amazing clients. It's called 9 Leaders in Action, and you can get it at firmsconsulting.com/gift. 2 is McKinsey and BCG winning resume, which is a resume that got offers from both of those firms, and you can get it at firmsconsulting.com/resume PDF. And the last one is the overall approach used in well-managed strategy studies. It's a free download, and you can get it at firmsconsulting.com/overall approach. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Next, I recommend you watch an episode on consulting specialization, and I'll see you in the next video.